Hi, Modelling Mark here again. In this video I'm going to set up the engine and then test run it on compressed air. I'll be using air from my airbrush compressor. The first thing to do with setting up the machine is to set the valve. This we take off the cover and you can see the valve here is opening the bottom port and here is opening the top port. So we need to set the valve position so the valve opens both top and bottom port equally as the engine's turned over. Here you can see that the top port isn't open fully and the bottom port is open, so we need to adjust the valve slightly, which I will do by adjusting this link. With a bit of trial and error, we've got the valve more or less in the correct position. The second setting is setting the position of the eccentric so that the valve opens at the right time. We rotate the engine just past top dead centre and the top valve should be opening just as the engine goes past top dead centre. This is opening a little bit late, so we adjust this by adjusting the eccentric. Okay, we can see here the valve's just starting to open and the piston's just starting to come on the downstroke. So I think that should be good enough for a test on air. And you can see I've put on the steam inlet union. It's alive! It's alive! Yeah, sorry about that, I just couldn't resist it. Anyway, it's probably going to be a little while before the next video because I've now got to strip down the engine and paint it and polish it and generally finish it off. If you've got any suggestions as to what colours I should do it, please leave it in the comments below. Anyway, I think I might also do a little extra video just cobbling the other clips together so you can see the full build and test run in one shot. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.